Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best aprons for men that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Arsenal 5700 torso-length work tool apron for men. The type of apron you want really depends on what you are going to be doing in it. For example, if you are doing DIY around the house, you don't want a long chef apron. By the same token, you don't want a torso-length tool apron for cooking. That's why this work apron is perfect for DIY. The Arsenal 5700 torso-length work tool apron is, as the name would suggest, only torso length. That means it's only going to cover the top half of your body. This makes it perfect for jobs that require a lot of maneuverability. If you are looking for something to become your perfect DIY partner, this apron is definitely the choice for you. Moving on at number 4, we have the Aulett Home Waterproof Rubber Vinyl Apron. The Aulett Home Waterproof Rubber Vinyl Apron might not be the most stylish product on this list, but it's definitely one of the most useful. Let's face it, aprons are designed to protect our torsos and stop us from getting our clothes dirty. That's why rubber vinyl is the perfect apron material. It's completely waterproof, protects against oil and grease, and is super durable. Other impressive features include premium stitching and 10-inch longer ties, so this apron fits pretty much anyone. The only thing we wouldn't recommend this apron for is cooking. The material burns easily and could, therefore, be dangerous. At number 3, we have the GIDABRAND Professional Grade Chef Kitchen Apron. If you're in the market for cooking aprons for men, you have to consider the GIDABRAND Professional Grade Chef Kitchen Apron. Guida Brandis made a professional quality chef apron that is affordable even for the occasional cook. You don't have to be a professional chef to own one, but you will feel like one when you put it on. It's made from highly durable cotton that will stand up to whatever the kitchen throws at it, but it's still comfortable and lightweight enough to be worn for a long kitchen shift. In fact, they boast that it's the most comfortable chef apron, but we'll let you decide that. The thing that sets this apron apart is the impressive X-back strap design. The strap spreads the weight evenly over your back, making it feel even lighter than it is. At number 2, we have the Life Flavor Heavy-Duty Canvas Work and Barbecue Apron. The Life Flavor Heavy-Duty Canvas Work Apron Barbecue Apron is another perfect multi-purpose apron that can handle a multitude of different tasks. It's not designed with any specific trade or job in mind, but is perfect for someone who intends to use their apron for lots of different tasks. Like all high-quality aprons, it is durable and designed to prevent snags and tears if it gets caught. It's made from a 16-ounce canvas. This is a heavy grade for an apron and will make it slightly heavier than the lightweight aprons on this list. But it makes up for that by spreading the weight over the back, with a cross-strap design, which makes it a great gift for the men who love to barbecue. Like the last apron, it features a quick-release buckle, making it much easier to get on and off than other aprons. And finally at number 1, we have the Texas Canvas Wares. If you have a little more money to spend on the perfect apron, you should consider the Texas Canvas Wares Waxed Canvas Heavy-Duty Shop Apron. On a list of high-quality, cool aprons, this one really stands out. You can tell that the company has taken care to make a really top product, something that is going to last a lifetime. It looks like a classic woodworking shop apron, but it's actually used by lots of different tradespeople. The material really stands out. It's made from water-resistant, 16-ounce canvas that can take anything the workshop throws at it. The pockets are reinforced and have specially designed flaps that prevent any sawdust from getting in, making this the perfect woodworking apron.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.